Hey everyone, today we're going to learn how to program an RCA universal remote, just like this one, to your Vizio TV. The best part? You don't even need to know the TV codes. This method works with pretty much any TV. Let's get started. First, make sure your TV is turned off. Now, hold down the TV button on the remote for about 2 seconds until the power light comes on. Once that light is on, enter 1, 1, 1, 1. The power light should turn off once you've done that. Next, manually turn your TV back on using the power button on the TV itself. Now with the TV on, hold the TV button again for 2 seconds until the power light comes back on. Then, press the play button on the remote. What this does is send out different TV codes automatically. Make sure to keep the remote pointed directly at your TV. As soon as your TV turns off, quickly press the stop button. This locks in the code that worked for your TV. Now, try turning the TV back on using your universal remote. If it powers up, congratulations! Your RCA universal remote is now programmed to your Vizio TV without using codes. And that's it. Super simple. If this helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick fixes and tutorials.